7.6, divide by 6. The lesson objective is, again, same strategies that we've been working on. Use equal groups, a related multiplication fact, or factors to divide by 6. Your essential question isn't showing to you guys. Your essential question we'll look at the end. Is asking what strategies can you use to divide by 6. So again, they're really wanting you to focus on multiple strategies and multiple ways to solve a problem. And as importantly, to be able to explain why those strategies work. Warming up our brain, problem of the day, test prep. Dario wants to divide 35 sports cards equally among 5 of his friends. How many sports cards will each friend get? So you're going to do 35 divided by 5. Decide which one of those strategies you would like to work with today and how you are going to solve that problem. Don't forget to label. Okay, let's look at our first lesson page. You should be on page 273. Ms. Singh needs to buy 24 juice boxes for the class picnic. Juice boxes come in packs of 6. How many packs does Mrs. Singh needs to buy? They start with circle the numbers. We just underlined them. And how can you use the information to solve the problem? So we're going to divide how many juice boxes. Yours should look much nicer than mine by the number in each pack. Okay, so one way. It says make equal groups. You're going to draw 24 counters. And you just can do them randomly. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now, circle as many groups of 6 as you can. You can also use the counters that are at your math center by putting out 24 counters. And then you're going to make groups of 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lucky us, it came out equal. Then we need to count our groups. So how many groups did we make? We made 4 groups of 6. So Mrs. Singh needs to buy 4 packs of juice. So you can write 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Using the division bar, 6 divided by 24 still equals 24. Okay, make sure that when you go through these videos that you can really make sure that you understand those math talks because they are asking you to explain them. Okay, the next way we're going to look at on page 274, use related math facts. 24 divided by 6 equals something. What number completes the multiplication fact of something times 6 equals 24? I gave you the answer here that 4 times 6 equals 24. So 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 6 divided by 24 equals 4. Again, looking at this one, when you get 2 longer division problems, when you say that you can go in 4 times, you're going to take this and you're going to multiply it first. 4 times 6 equals 24. Then you subtract those and you come out equal with a 4. You can also check it by doing exactly what it does here, that 4 times 6 equals 24. Okay. Next one, it wants you to use factors. So again, how I told you I liked the factor method on the other one when you divided by 4 because it was 2 times 2. You can look at dividing by 2 again because 2 times 3 equals 6. So you can do 24 divided by 6. You can do 24 divided by 3 if you know that fact, and then cut it in half again so that you have those answers. Not as easy as divided by or multiplied by 4, but we are getting into the bigger numbers. But the more you know your facts, the better it's going to help you. It's asking you to write a little bit about how does knowing 6 times 9 equals 54 help you with 54 divided by 6. So I'm going to give you just a second. How does knowing that help you in order to solve that problem? Okay, looking at the bottom of the page, and I only took a picture of the part of it because a lot of this continues to review from lessons before. On the share and show, continue making groups to find 18 divided by 6. So they counted out or drew out 18 of these, and then they're making groups of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is exactly what we did on the page before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then count your groups. So 18 divided by 6 equaling 3. Okay, on the bottom of that page, you're going to come back in a minute and do, it says find the unknown factor and quotient, and then just find the quotient. You're going to skip this for right now and come back with it. Your next page is all on your own. Make sure that you follow the directions for each section. But before you do that, we're going to go on and look at our problem-solving page first. Oh my goodness, there's no using a table on the first one. It's because the last lesson I said every one of them starts that way. Looking at number 36, Cody baked 12 muffins. He keeps 6 muffins. How many muffins can he give to each of his 6 friends if they all get the same number of muffins? So, two-step problem. First, he did 12 muffins, but he's going to keep 6 of them. So you have to subtract that 6 in order to find out how many he's willing to give away. Okay, 12 minus 6 is 6. Now he wants to share them with his 6 friends. So here's our number. We're going to do 6 divided by how many friends of 6. So each one's going to get 1 muffin each. Two-step problem. Number 37, what's the error? Mary has 36 stickers to give to 6 friends. She says she can give each friend only 5 stickers. Use a division equation to describe Mary's error. I would flip this around and say she has 6 friends times 5 stickers. 6 times 5 is only 30. So what times 6 is going to give you 36? And I would finish that and fill it in there. On number 38, it's your writing about math problem. Pose a problem, write and solve a word problem for the bar model. So here's our bar model again. Your total number is 30. You have 6 boxes here. So what times 6 equals 30, and that number would go in there. And then you're just going to make up your own story problem. On the bottom, each picnic table at a park can seat up to 6 people. How many tables will 48 people fill? Use one of those strategies that they've been really stressing on and figure that one out. Okay? When you are done with this page, you go back, flip back 2 pages, and finish this one. On the bottom of the share and show, it had you finding some quotients and some missing numbers. And then you have your on your own page. Again, when you're done with this page, check it with a partner, and then check it in the teacher book. And then here is your math journal for today. Your essential question, What strategies can you use to divide by 6? Make sure you copy that prompt into your book so that I can grade it later. And then your math journal, which strategy would you use to divide 36 divided by 6? So you're going to tell me which strategy, you're going to solve the problem, and tell me then why you chose that strategy over the other strategies that they have been teaching you. Okay? Again, if you are confused or lost or need to go back and refresh, make sure you come back to 7.6 in any of the earlier ones to review the lessons. It doesn't take very long to rewatch them, even if you just watch them and don't fill in your journal. Your mid-chapter check is next. Good luck.